Good afternoon. My name is David Gonzalez. I'm an instructional designer at the University of Texas at El Paso. I've been a multimedia design specialist for several years, and before working at UTEP, I was working in marketing departments, developing logos all the way to marketing campaigns and brand management. In today's workshop, we're going to focus on the intersection between branding and online learning and how all that will impact your course.
Hello, Blackboard World attendees. My name is Julio Batiz, and I as well will be one of the co-presenters in today's workshop for branding. As David mentioned, by today you should be able to create your very own graphic images and instructional videos as well. We might even show you how to close caption some of those videos as well.
By the end of the day, we hope you all will leave this workshop with the skills and the desire to enhance your courses online using engaging content with the help of Adobe Spark Video and Adobe Spark Post without any design experience required.
So on behalf of David and myself, we want to thank you in advance for making time to attend today's workshop. We promise to make it worthwhile, and we're definitely excited to meet you as well. So without further ado, let's get started branding your course content.